Hadin ka jingbam do ka ding ya kawai na school bala remtam hanang ba Shillong ka KGP High Secondary School. Nakaliang umentri rang ba ka jela hakastap jong ka arpuai tere ujemang ulahyar hi syakata ka school. Ba nakaliang jong ulay kendo bat ki principal bar hadin ka neula penting na ba ka sorkar kanum ino ba ulaong ba unai si Klur Tyngka syaka fund naka CM Special Development Fund. Bonun IT syaka committee jong kinong penyat school. Bantai Thymmai ya kata Skul kat kum kajing dan kam.
Be careful. That is where the office was.
Yes, no, that side.
The office is in the middle.
The mid entrance.
Your staff room is here.
The documents are kept there.
You can see this documents here.
Yeah, some documents are here. This is the storeroom. Near the classroom.
You know, we can collect like whatever is
record available,
whatever. Because now technology is there to even to get it back. So whatever you can collect the papers.
Papers, yes. That is very necessary.
I mean, whatever. I'm not saying that they're useful or not useful, but at least whatever you
some
can
record we can.
Whatever you can.
And the canteen is there below that, sir. The toilet canteen is there.
Smart classes ke tu computer.
Oh yes, computer.
Ini papers ni. Only this portions are here.
Dapat collect apa yo again. Yang don't record belum melaru kan.
Only this one.
Jika man spoil kong tu ini bahawa collect dah.
Yes.
Bahawa collect dah ini.
Bila you yang ini ke
Lum no.
related hot itu lum nak ban tunjuk record semua.
Whatever record. So you just coordinate with Shan. Shan? With Shan. Okay. Let's just coordinate with. We just need some basic documents like your bank account of the school and what else we require? Some registration, just for paperwork to be complete. These are formalities, which is not important, but yeah. Estimate we'll do the paperwork later on. We'll release the funds. So for that we just need the bank account. We need the bank account and the registration. Then as estimates get done, we'll put the estimates later on. We transfer the 1 crore into the account. This is a very sad and a very tragic incident that happened. This was a very, very old school and a very old infrastructure, and it's a great loss for the students, for the school, the church, and the community as a whole. There are many people whose lives were transformed in the school, many people who have studied in the school, and today to see what has happened is something that is very, very sad and very, very tragic. But I wanted to just come here and along with other leaders, and we've met the principal and other managing committee members and the teachers, and we have assured them that we as a government and as a society, we are with them, and we will ensure that we all work together to rebuild the school together. I have promised them that immediately from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I am releasing 1 crore to the school, and after that, once the full detail estimates of the building comes up, then we will work out and we will work together to arrange the necessary funds to ensure that this school comes back to what it was. I'm sure that we cannot give back the same touch to it in the sense that it was a very old and heritage building, and but I'm sure the managing committee will appropriately decide how to move forward. But as I said, I've come here to show my solidarity with the people and with the students and with the managing committee and the community as a whole, and we assure them of complete help and support from our side. And as I said, we will work together. I know it's a difficult time for them, but let me assure them that we will work together to rebuild the school again.
How long will it take, sir, to rebuild the school?
Of course, we don't know that because we need to work on it in detail. There's so much that is lost. We have to first try to retrieve. I was suggesting that we should retrieve as much documents, as much of the whatever is left, and we should not just simply let it go. So it should be done in a proper manner. But the work will start immediately. As I said, we are transferring the funds to them. The managing committee will have to decide on how they will move forward. They'll have to see whether they want to stick with the old design so that the old memory and the structure, the old design remains, or they would like to change it. That's a decision that is not in my capacity. It's the managing committee. So all these factors will have to be considered. But as they move forward, I've just come to express my complete concern and also to let them know that we are with them and we will give complete support to ensure that they bring it back.
With this whole school burning down to ashes and the students have been displaced, what can be done? Where will they be?
So these are things, these are matters that of course we have just discussed for a minute. They are right now immediately asking the parents to come and for at least a few days or a few weeks. I was told that the managing committee has decided to let the students go back. But again, that's a decision the managing committee will have to take on how they want to move forward in it. As a government, as I said, we will give full support in whatever way they require it, whether it's a temporary location or whatever. That is something that, as I said, the school and the managing committee will first have to decide. So I think it is slightly early to go into all those details because this happened. Everybody's in shock. I think we have to allow them to just recover from that, and then let's see how to move forward. But I've requested the principal and the managing committee and the teachers that they should start thinking about all these matters, even though it's not even been 24 hours since this happened. But all these factors are being discussed, and the managing committee will take the decision, and we will support them in every way possible.